Adding the mana bar to my hack and slash game in Unity. In my project outline, I'm going to make a UI object called magic bar, which is going to have a fill object under its parent, which is the mana, and a border, which is just going to be a black outline around the fill. The slider component within the parent object is going to control the amount of mana that's shown on the screen. For my code, I made a stats controller, which is going to get a reference to the slider mana bar, and then set current mana, max mana, and charger speed, and then start function is going to set the current mana to 0. In the update function, I'm basically just going to set the slider to the current mana, and then I have a function that's going to be called in the input manager that takes in a boolean if the button is pressed, and then moves the current mana to the max mana. In my input manager, I'm going to set a button to an input action, or rather set a variable to input action. I'm going to check if the charge is pressed, and then I'm just going to play the function with the boolean in the argument. So when I hold down F, as you can see, the mana blue bar starts to fill up. So it's working, but I still need to add some visual effects, but that's pretty much how I got this bar working in my first prototype of a game.
What the hell? Ich bin jeden Tag geek, ich lauf rum genau so wie Säcke.